The long-term solution for Destitute Initiative has announced an expanded regional response to the growing hunger and food insecurity crisis across West Africa. The LOSDI said the initiative became imperative, following a recent warning by the Food and Agriculture Organization that 16 countries worldwide, including Nigeria, were at high risk of severe hunger. In a statement issued on Saturday, the humanitarian organization said the FAO alert highlighted the urgent need for coordinated and sustained action to prevent a deepening humanitarian emergency, particularly among children, internally displaced persons and other vulnerable groups. Hunger in West Africa has moved beyond a seasonal challenge to become a long-term structural crisis driven by poverty, conflict, climate change, economic shocks, and social exclusion, LOSDI said. The organization warned that failure to act swiftly could lead to rising child malnutrition, increased school dropouts, social instability, and worsening conditions for already fragile communities. Unveiling its renewed hunger response agenda, LOSDI disclosed plans to implement large-scale humanitarian and development programs targeting out-of-school children, destitute individuals, displaced persons, and others at-risk populations across the sub-region. The cost of inaction is simply too high, the organization stated, pointing out that, without urgent intervention, millions of vulnerable people will continue to suffer hunger, malnutrition and the loss of basic human dignity. According to LOSDI, the intervention will adopt a dual-track approach, combining immediate relief measures such as food distribution and nutrition support with long-term strategies focused on livelihoods, resilience building, and vulnerability reduction. It noted that the implementation would be carried out in partnership with the various government's institutions, non-governmental organizations, community-based groups, donor agencies, and development partners. LOSDI further revealed that the first phase of the program will roll out in Nigeria, followed by Niger Republic, and the Gambia, countries currently experiencing heightened food insecurity. These countries are facing overlapping challenges of insecurity, economic hardship and climate stress, making urgent collective action unavoidable, the statement added. While drawing on over 20 years of experience working with marginalized communities, the LOSDI expressed confidence in its ability to deliver transparent, people-centered, and impact-driven interventions that address both immediate needs and root causes of hunger. It also called on the media, civil society organizations, development partners, philanthropic institutions, and the private sector to support the initiative, stressing the media's role in raising awareness and mobilizing public support. No society can achieve sustainable development while millions of its children and vulnerable citizens remain trapped in hunger and deprivation, LOSDI said. Ariwa Punch reports that the LOSDI is a registered non-governmental organization that has been operational for more than 2 decades.